demand driven. If the banks do not lend, you don't have anything to guarantee. But so far, our level of guarantees for farmers about 5 to 6 billion only. I asked the Department of Agriculture, what's the program for rice? What's the program for corn? What's the program for this? Um, yeah, I didn't hear any program to upscale the rice farming or other agricultural projects because they're already thinking of post-harvest facilities. What is there to post-harvest when there are no harvest? So they have to improve the yield per hectare in the case of rice through technology. So we're proposing to them that we should guarantee also agricultural machinery to modernize agriculture. Also, we are proposing that we guarantee working capital for long-term crops like cacao, coffee, and black pepper. Because the fund that we are holding right now is the fund of the Department of Agriculture. So they'll be the one to approve any change in the lending program. I think we will be able to secure the approval soon. So we'll be able to expand to agricultural machinery financing guarantees.